I have to study. I'm studying Python. And I have a CIA coming up. So I don't even know where the cursor is. Where's the cursor?
First of all, you gotta be on the screen though.
Wait a second, guys. Sorry, I'm a bit busy like a business person. Oh my. Oh, guys, I scraped my leg off. It
She
hurts.
was running to beat a friend. Yeah, she beats people in her college. She's a
Bro, don't you guys just casually hit your friends? What are you, psychos?
Oh, she scared it really bad.
Hmm.
Don't show them that though.
Yeah. YouTube might cancel our video. I don't know.
Yeah.
What's that?
I lost my earphones in my
Bro,
office.
she just casually loses
No,
stuff.
no,
And then if
I
I
don't
buy
do
something,
that.
she'll be like, oh my god, you expensive brat. She
making
just
me look bad.
casually throws her headphones.
No,
she
I never do all
loses
that.
her headphone. Bro, I have... Why did you buy this?
These are earphones.
She casually loses her earphones. I bought my AirPods last to last birthday, I guess, and I still have it. I didn't lose it. Huh? Get off. I didn't lose it.
These are the both pass heads. And they have done
What a pass ahead it seems.
they've done quite a few innovations. Before this used to be a jute bag, but now it's just kind of like a. It looks nice. What is a felt bag for the earphones? I love it.
See my nails, guys. They're nice up, but yeah.
See, my bead came out. We had done this for Australia.
Yeah, everything came out.
Look
I
at
mean,
that.
duh, you guys are gonna see the video, but this thing came out. My flower came out. My this bead came out. My this bead came out.
It's not for random fingers.
My everything came out.
I love the performance. Like ever since I got it, it has worked. Now a random person would have picked it up at my office. Lucky them, I guess. Oh, the mandate sticker. It used to be on the laptop, but it's so hard to remove. So no. This product comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty. Do what floats your boat.
I also
Does it
want
have
these, you know, because using AirPods, using AirPods is bad. So I want to get.
It has radiations.
So I want to get
It
it.
affects your mood. It affects your brain waves.
I want to get it. How much was this?
300
Two?
or 200 something. But it says 999. I don't know why they do that.
I have some Google Pay link also, some discount. I'll buy with
On
that.
both?
Yeah. Or skull,
Save up.
skull or something.
Skull candy is all AirPods.
Oh.
Earbuds.
What?
Earbuds.
Why do you guys not want people to buy your stuff, or you just Gen Z?
She has these.
Who's she? Yeah, but like the black color.
Okay.
What is that? What is that?
And this. And this.
That's cool. People just casually ballet. No thanks.
So yeah.
I'm
This came in
learning
this.
Python in Google Colab, and that's actually a pretty good site. I'll show you.
What's that?
So it's like Colab.
Guys, not sponsored.
Yeah. Collab research something.
How did you find it?
Our teacher told us to. We do our notes in this. So
Okay. I'm gonna be looking at that, and we have to stop the video because we don't have space on our phone.
bye. Guys, we are giving gifts as our mom's birthday. Are you ready? We were gifting our parents this gold coin that we had got from Australia without them knowing about it, and they were actually pretty surprised because it looked really good. And Dad was really happy because he rarely likes gifts, and this was actually something that he liked. After effects of travel.
Guys, welcome to the channel. My god, finally Squid Games 2 came out and we were waiting so much to watch it. I'm quite a procrastinator in watching series and movies, so my sister grabbed me and she was like, she finished watching it but she still watched it again with me so I could watch it. So sweet of her. After this, we went to Asha Sweets in my office. I decided to take my parents to office. We got aloo paratha, chole bhature, paneer rolls, we got sweets, badshah, jalebi, gulab jamun, Milano ice creams. It was newly opened, so many items. They loved it. Here, my sister's messing up.
Yeah, here I actually was trying to do a pull-up, but then I ended up falling because the tree had those, scales that came out. Then we got these sweets from Lulu.
Hi guys, we're gonna be unboxing right now.
Okay.
My hands are super greasy.
Yeah.
No, that's not what you do, psycho. Dun, 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 dun. See, look what I got.
She's been having that for like years now.
A huge lint bar. We're gonna have it right now.
Yeah, because it tastes like it's spoiled.
I save things a lot.
So she's just giving it to me so that, she can finish it out. Like,
No.
who forgets to eat chocolate? No one does.
Yeah? So how busy I am. Oh, you guys showed the whole unboxing process, Psycho.
Iron follicle acid.
Do things on the screen, not out of the screen.
I opened it. You guys wanted to see that also?
Yeah.
Like, how bored are you in life?
These are some iron tablets. Iron folic acid, vitamin C, E, B12, zinc, selenium. It costed around 460 tablets. By In Life. Where is that from?
Stop lying. I didn't feel it. No, I'll take the next one.
Alright.
No, I won't take what you take.
Next
I'm
one.
pretty sure it's a cloth. Want to see the cover? See it.
We gotta unbox it right here.
Ew, don't touch with your hand.
Oh my god, you cut your hand. What are you doing? How are you opening? This is the opening cycle.
You want to see this? See it. See it.
Oh my, she's a busy man. She's a bully you guys next.
Thanks for shopping with us. When you give us a good review, you are supporting a small business. Customer feedback always helps us improve. That's why we request you to give a 5-star. Your order feedback. Keep shopping. I mean, we'll give it a 1.
Cruelest customer ever.
I mean, let's see the quality first. What's this? Is it a towel to wipe my face in?
Oh, those are like the 2 tops.
Yeah. 2 cute tops.
Next.
I guess we'll give it a good review. Next. And socks!
We really don't have socks.
Yeah, because you lost mine, so one of these are mine.
No?
Then where's mine?
Oh, don't touch that.
Oh, she's just allergic woman also. Now you see she'll start sneezing right now. Anyways, where's mine?
I have it.
Oh, give it back.
Okay.
She wore it and never gave it back. It's been like, what, 2 months since I've gotten it or seen it. So here's
That was
some
super cheap.
some chen brown hee chong ching chong.
Some 100, 200 bucks.
And no show liner, cotton blend with moisture wicking. Okay. This is the last one. I kept the one which she touched for last because I didn't want to take it first.
What am I, Corona?
Yeah, worst, trust me. Oh yeah, by the way, I did my nails. And I don't think this is show worthy, so that's all for today, guys. It was a pretty boring one, but yeah.
It was Independence Day and we celebrated it. Our community celebrated in the highest of spirits. They got the vice president of our colony. They also got someone from ISRO and the Navy. These were all the securities. It looked so good. They were dressed like army men. There was a national anthem. There was this guy dressed up like a military person. It was
Guys, our YouTube channel. You are the only psycho in the world who holds the phone like that. Then we headed out to play table tennis.
You saw the the clip before this where we were writing our YouTube channel. That was actually the register where we put our names before we go to play activities. And instead of just writing our name, we literally wrote our YouTube channel there and like subscribe or something like that. The security would have judged us so bad. The securities there are usually so strict. I literally don't know why. They act like there are gold mines hidden in every like play room or play area. And they'd be like, show me your booking. Did you book the code? Okay, now don't wear shoes. I mean, there's a rule that you're not supposed to wear marking shoes. You're only supposed to wear non-marking shoes. And those are super expensive. And we barely go to play. Why would we literally invest so much in such shoes? They don't let us go in normal shoes. They don't let us go barefoot either, guys. There's the security. He's really nice. He lets us in every now and then. And we just hope that he's there, and whenever he's there we go play barefoot. Anyways, here we suck at table tennis, but slowly we broke the game down into little bits and we were able to play it. My friend, my sister went with one of her friends and they literally started playing badminton with the bats.
Oh my god, no. How you hold it? She was holding it upside down the whole time. And it's good. Oh, bye. We didn't even talk about anything.
We just played table tennis,
We
guys.
played table tennis. She wants to be on the screen, obviously, and I changed my glasses. So, yeah. She's the one who told me to look nice. Anyways, bye-bye. Got my nails done. I did my nails. Bye. Okay, so that's the end. See you. Like, share, and subscribe.
I do. Honestly.